Hello, my friends, my family. Welcome back to Wowwy'z Workshop, guys. Yep, there he is. There's Wowie sitting there thinking about all the things he's gonna create. Him and his brother. Oh, and as always, it's two brothers, one vision, guys. That's the foundation of it all. So what's going on here? Well, I'm very happy to say that this here is an episode of Wowwy'z. You guys all might have some recollection of a crazy jingle that I would put you on. Wowwy'z. I'm not hitting you with the jingle this time. So right off the bat, I've done you a favor. Okay? We friends. We happy time. All right. And I'm happy. It's happy time because we were sent something, guys. Let me tell you, Dremel is a really cool company. We're all aware of it. Probably 99% of the people watching here have one and use one. And I've, grown into a relationship with them, from the Dremel's Maker Studio to their new website that they've just launched in the community there. And just volunteering for doing certain things. I've had a couple Zoom calls with them where I just give my feedback. It's kind of like a survey, but more, and one step, more personal. And just recently, I did one for concept tools. And my goodness, guys, whoa, geez, what are you doing? My goodness, I saw some concepts and some ideas. I can't talk about them. This is top secret tool stuff. But they got neat ideas brewing. And if any of the ones that I saw anyways, if they come to fruition, it's a really, really cool step up in tools and smart tools. And so for doing that, in trade of my time, which is very important in this world, you guys, time is the most precious thing we have, okay? And for a company to turn, give you something back because of your time that you've given, that's awesome. That's awesome, and that's what we're about around here. Okay, so they sent something. Let's see what it is. Ooh, what's happening here? Looks like a little thing for a hamburger in there. Dremel. Now, I've heard talk that they have new carving burrs and bits. And my stomach says, oh goodness, guys. Goodness gracious me. We got Dremel's new carving burrs. I'll take you out of this thing here and we're going to take a closer look. Try and do this in one take so it'll upload to YouTube faster. One take Wowie, because when I do put it through my editor and stuff, like a 15-minute video takes about 12 hours to upload. So this first one here, so power carving bit, that's a 9954. It's a ball nose. Dremel Max. 2 times faster material removal. And then it says it's good for wood and plastic. Wow. So that's the ball nose. I wonder if they come in different, I could say flavors, but now this one is the small taper. That's cool. And it's got a bit of a twist in it. Reminds me of a cut saw. Well, it reminds me of a cut saw, and possibly, I got them right here. That's a cut saw. And then that's a Typhoon by Fordham. So both of those are kind of in there, eh? That's really awesome. And that's called the small taper. And then this one is called the Flame. And it's, a lot like the other ones, like the Kutzall and Sabertooth. But it's going to be all comes down to performance, obviously, but also longevity. How hard are they? How long are those little spikes going to last, you know? That's how you truly try them. But I tell you guys, I am very, very appreciative of this from Dremel. Thank you so much, Dremel. You know, times are tough. I haven't bought new burrs in a long time, so that's very much appreciated. I am going to do a follow-up video of something I've created, and I'll use just these 3, and let's see what happens. Okay, guys? So thanks. Thank you, Dremel, and thank you, each and every one of you, for watching. There is no YouTube without you. And we here, Two Brothers, One Vision, we appreciate you. Until next time, guys, much love.